हाँ, तो मैं ये आपको ये बता रहा था कि जब आप कॉलेज से बाहर आते हैं तो आप ये समझते हैं कि बस हमारे लिए बाहर लोग खड़े होंगे, हार फूल लेके, कारपेट बिछा हुआ होगा, हम पढ़ा ग्रेजुएट करके बाहर आ रहे हैं, निकल रहे हैं। डिग्री कांट प्रूव एनीथिंग, यू हैव टू प्रूव योरसेल्फ कि व्हाट यू आर। पेशेंस पेशेंस Patience comes through passion. If you have got passion for something, तो naturally you will be using your patience also. अच्छा, ये थ्री इडियट वाली बात जो है इससे पूछो, मैं हमेशा से कहता हूँ कि फॉलो योर पैशन।
बिल्कुल।
हाँ, थ्री इडियट वाली अब फिल्म आई, अब लोगों की समझ में आया। पहले तो पाकिस्तान में 3 प्रोफेशंस होते थे। एक होता था इंजीनियर, एक होता था डॉक्टर और तीसरा होता था बदनसीब। वो सब लोगों से पेरेंट्स कहते थे ये बदनसीब है। आई वॉज असिस्टेंट डायरेक्टर इन कोऑपरेटिव्स, but there wasn't anything creative, there wasn't anything which really mattered. So I resigned, and temperamentally I think I was born with this thing, and I love teaching. And teaching is something like a gardener. He plant a small plants and they grow and they bear flowers and fruits. So growing to observe them growing is a very satisfying experience. So if you are good to somebody, he is going to pay you back. तुम बहुत छोटी ड्राइंग बना रही हो, हुआ है? हाँ, अभी you are doing a individual shapes in a small size. Painting is something escape from your it's an escape from your pain. So when you are involved in something, so you forget your sufferings. He asked me, who are you? So it's a very difficult question because I don't know who I am. If I tell him my name, that doesn't mean anything. My face doesn't mean anything because my face is a mask. Everybody is wearing a mask. Nobody knows who am I. It's a difficult question. I don't know. Okay, if I tell him my name and my profession, what does it matter? Life is one day morning till evening. The gone is gone, and what is coming to you, who knows what is coming next. But today is important. Like you go on peeling onion, and till the last minute you expect that something come out of it, and it's gone and nothing comes out of it. What matters is today, morning till evening. So everybody lives, practically everybody lives one day, today. How can my experience help to coming generation? Because everything will be different. So passing on my experience, yes, collectively knowledge is the starting point of the next generation. So they will have their own experiences. Uh, Life is such a game. It's just a game. When you understand the rule of the life, the time is up.